Hello everyone! When you receive a new LuckiBot Pro, the first thing is to unpack and activate it. In this video, we will show you how to unpack, activate, and pack the LuckiBot Pro. Also, it will provide some important tips during the process. Lift up the outer carton. The charger, marker, and instruction book are placed inside the packaging box, embedded in the foam at the top. Take out the fixed cardboard on both sides. Put down the front cardboard. Remove the foam at the front part of the bottom. Hold the first layer of the tray and lift the robot gently. Pull the robot forward from the box. Remove the plastic film from the robot's body. Now the robot has been unpacked. Next step, we will show you how to activate LuckiBot Pro. This is the emergency stop button. If there is an emergency, you can stop the robot immediately by pressing the emergency stop button. This is the power button. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to power on or power off the robot. Select language. Select time zone. Select region. Set Wi-Fi and enter password. Activation code pop-up. Next, please log in to the Robot Portal platform on your computer to complete the activation. Click Settings, Corporate Info, and activate Robot manually. After the Bind Robot window pops up, enter the last 6 digits of the robot's SM and the activation code. Then click Bind Now to complete the activation process. Robot activation is completed. You can now start using it. First, cover the body with plastic film. Next, place the packaging base at the back of the robot. Hold the robot tray with both hands. Lift the robot and place it on the base. Then, push it back to fit snugly against the base. Then, restore the foam board to the front feet. Pull up the front cardboard and adhere it to the foam board. 2 oval-shaped cutouts should be placed facing downwards. Insert the 2 side fixing boards into the sides of the robot. The top foam with grooves should be placed at the front. Please arrange the accessories neatly and do not exceed the limit of the groove. Put the outer carton on the outermost layer. Please make sure the side with the robot image is facing forward. Now we have finished packing the robot.